cruise for free? Yes, you can. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures, and I am here today to talk to you about group cruises and how you could possibly sail for free on a group cruise. But before I do want to mention that Extraordinary Adventures is a travel agency that specializes in cruises. If you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. We don't charge a fee to book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice as well as answer any questions you might have. So please do reach out to us. Okay, so first, let's talk about what a group cruise is. A group cruise is a group of people all going on the same cruise together. That's it. It could be as small as 8 rooms. It could be the entire ship. It really all just is a group of people who are going on the same cruise together at the same time. It can be a family reunion. It could be a birthday celebration. It could be a bachelorette party. It could be a club or an organization like a gardening club or a wine club or a cycling club. It could be a faith-based group like a church or a synagogue. It could be a golf club. It could be a society like the Italian American Society or the Kiwanis Club. Basically, any group or organization, we can find a group cruise for you. So you're probably wondering, how do I actually sail for free with a group? Well, cruise lines want groups on their ships, and they incentivize groups to come on their ships in 2 different ways. The first way is by incentivizing the event organizer with what they call a tour conductor credit. And that means that for every X amount of rooms that book into the group, you get a tour conductor credit, which is essentially money to help offset the cost of your room, because they want the event organizer to actually be on the cruise with everyone. And every cruise line has a different quantity of rooms that need to book into the group in order to qualify for a tour conductor credit. So if you are interested in something like this, let me know and I can talk you through the differences in the tour conductor credits. In addition, everyone else also benefits because cruise lines give discounted rates for everyone who books into the group. So it's a win-win. You're saving money or potentially sailing for free, and everyone that books into the group is getting a discounted rate off of prevailing rates. So it really is a win-win. So you're probably wondering, how would I go about actually creating a group? And the first thing that you would want to do is contact a travel professional who has created group cruises before, such as me. I've created a bunch of group cruises. And what I'm going to do is actually sit down with you and talk to you about what type of group you want to create this group cruise for. Because depending on the type of group, I might make specific recommendations. For example, if you are a gardening club, I might recommend going to Holland to see the tulips during tulip season. If you are a wine club, there are wine-themed cruises in Italy and France, and you can go and tour all of the different wineries and meet winemakers. If you are a golf club, I might recommend going to Scotland and playing on some of the most prestigious fairways in Scotland. If you are a church organization, I might recommend going to Jerusalem or Italy to see the Vatican. If you are a family reunion or a birthday celebration, I might recommend a Caribbean cruise. So basically what I'm going to do is just sit down with you and talk to you and figure out what kind of cruise would be the best cruise for you and your group cruise. Also, another reason that you want to use a travel professional is that we have travel software, and we can create a specific private group page for you on our website. The page is going to list everything that anyone would want to know about the cruise. It's going to have the itinerary, what's included. They can even book the cruise directly on that website. So it is a great tool that you can use in order to promote your group cruise. And my next tip is to book early. Pick which cruise you actually want to sail on early. The reason I recommend this is that as it gets closer to the sail date, more and more people have probably booked into the cruise, which means that room availability might be less. And so the cruise lines may not have a block of rooms that they can dedicate and hold just for your group cruise. So the earlier that you can create the group, the better availability you're going to have and the better pricing, because generally prices on cruises go up as it gets closer to sail date. The cheapest prices are usually right when they release the schedule. So the best time to plan a group cruise is right when they release the schedule. So with that, I hope that you liked and found everything that I said useful. If you did, please like and subscribe with the notification bell on. That lets me know that I am doing something right and I should keep doing what I'm doing. And if you are looking to book a cruise, whether it is a group cruise or just an individual cruise, we are here to help. We would love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. Bye for now.